Changes to the Spanish non-lucrative visa. Will they happen by 2025? Hi and welcome to Spainguru. Big news on the Spanish non-lucrative visa front. We've been talking about a lot of changes to Spanish immigration laws, and today I want to focus on two major updates that could have a huge impact on those of you thinking about moving to Spain under this visa. Spain is looking at some significant reforms. We're talking about rules that will affect not just the non-lucrative visa, but other immigration categories too. But the big questions on everyone's mind is, what are those changes, and when will these changes actually take effect? Will it happen by the end of 2024, or are we looking at 2025? Well, let's break it down. Key changes to the Spanish non-lucrative visa. First, the minimum stay requirement. Under the new proposed rules, visa holders would need to stay at least 183 days per year in Spain to renew their visa. Now, why does this matter? Because it's a clear-cut rule that establishes all non-lucrative visa holders as tax residents in Spain. Currently, there's been some ambiguity, since the Supreme Court ruling permitted the non-lucrative residence renewal without triggering tax residency, allowing for a degree of uncertainty around the legal minimum stay obligations. That could be about to change. Under the new rules, visa holders must spend at least 183 days per year in Spain to renew their visa. This change clearly establishes that all Spanish non-lucrative visa holders will become tax residents. The second change is the renewal period. The renewal period for the non-lucrative visa is going to jump from 2 years to 4 years after the initial year of residency. This is, of course, if the draft is approved without any changes. This sounds great for long-term stability. However, it is not clear how much proof of funding applicants would need to show. At the moment, since the renewal period is just 2 years, twice the initial application funding proof is generally required. Would then this jump to 4 times? This is still not clear at all. So, when will these changes take effect? The Spanish Minister of Inclusion, Social Security and Migration, El Masais, has optimistically said they want these changes in place by the end of October 2024. Now, however, immigration experts are skeptical. Consultation period for this draft ended on September 10th, 2024, but there are still quite a few steps to go. What happens next? After the consultation period, the draft heads to the Council of State. They need to review the text and issue a formal report. Now, this is where it could slow down. Experts are urging caution. They want a thorough review to avoid legal ambiguities or court challenges down the line. The worst thing that could happen is rushing this process and then having the regulations bogged down in legal battles. Some say rushing it is not a good idea. Taking a bit more time, let's say until November or December 2024, would give everyone from the government to the visa holders more clarity. This is crucial to avoid problems down the road, especially with such a significant change in how Spain handles tax residency and visa renewals. And then the final steps, the BOE publication. Once the Council of Ministers gives the green light, the new regulations have to be published in the Boletín Oficial del Estado, Spain's official gazette. This could happen quickly, or it might take a bit longer, but once it's in the BOE, these changes will become law, and they could take effect almost immediately. In conclusion, what to expect for the Spanish non-lucrative visa? While the government wants swift approval, we might not see these changes finalized until late 2024, maybe even 2025. Immigration professionals are urging a more measured approach to ensure everything is done properly. Also, we need to clear out what are gonna be the exact requirements for the renewals, especially about proof of funding. So, if you're thinking of applying for or renewing your Spanish non-lucrative visa, stay informed. These changes will make tax residency in Spain unavoidable if you are here for over 183 days a year. It's time to get prepared. Oh, and one more thing. Apparently YouTube says you're gonna love watching this video right here. I think you should watch it.